Look, sport. When next time you decide to put a record, you see, just remember, everything has to pass through me. I make this. I make this. Not the public. Not the public. Not the public. I tell DJs what to play, you see?
Musical mix.
Look, sport. The next time you decide to put a record, you see, just remember, everything has to pass through me. Through me.
Keep your heart from out his hands and still ain't saying shit. Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30 that ain't this bitch a damage. Poppin' with this okay trick, how we you land with it. I let you drive and slide my bros with even land with it. This bitch I open up my can with it. Like up the stove, I make it jump without my hand in it.
1,000 such doses. Let us observe the effect some 3 hours later.
We are delighted.
Word up.
The forces of evil are present in rock and roll. How do you respond to those sort of allegations?
If you want to believe in the devil, go ahead. But I think that if there is evil in the record industry, it's from the lawyers and it's from the executives and it's from the people at the record companies.